Nameza potamenyo. Nameza potamenyo. Wambe isini potonye. Asimani ya dubenyi chebenyi.
Ndebanye tutu omao. You remember I told you about the leaves we saw on top Erinjesha, Olumiri waterfalls. So this is a classical example of a dish that is made with those leaves. What I'm holding in front of you is called Okpa. It is a commonly eaten, sort of like the bean cake, Moimong here in Enugu is made from Okpa seeds and is cooked and pre-boiled in these leaves to have a special taste. So we're going to show you briefly what it looks like inside.
On today's Travel Bites with Liesel 81, let's talk about 3 dishes across eastern Nigeria. 5 states make up eastern Nigeria, which are Enugu, Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, Anambra. You will commonly find the foods that I'm about to talk about in different parts of eastern Nigeria or even other parts of Nigeria if you have Easterners making it. We're starting with Okpa, which is a favorite breakfast, lunch, dinner option and can also classify as street food. Secondly, we'll be looking at bush meat, otherwise known in English as game. So meat that you acquire mostly from hunters. Could be a bit of a controversial subject, but it is what it is. And number 3, we will be looking at Miriaku. Miriaku is a classical dish served to nursing mothers.
Ndebanye ụtụtụ ọma. So we are starting our tour of Southeast Nigeria in Enugu State. And I want to open it by showing you a local dish that is commonly eaten as breakfast or even lunch or dinner. So what we have in front of us right now is Okpa. Okpa is a seed or a grain that you can cultivate from around here that is used to make this kind of, I would call it like a cake, but a cooked cake. So what you have inside here is the red oil, the Okpa seed, some chili, salt, and other spices you wish to add. In modern days now, people add egg, crayfish, fish, but the basic Okpa doesn't have any of those things. And what is very important about the Okpa is that it is cooked in banana and plantain leaves, and it gives it this extra taste. So people look forward to it, and you will hear the expression Okpa dioko, because Okpa is nice when you eat it when it's hot. So for breakfast in Southeast, we are starting with a classical local dish of Okpa. Sometimes you can eat it with akamu. So I will say how we say in Nigeria. Come and join me. Okay. So, Guam, can you find one?
Yeah, I will go. Ow.
Ow, can you buy unka? Unka like baby lizard, or
Alligator lizard.
Alligator lizard.
Nchi.
Grass cutter. Nkabu okay?
Igono.
Igono nkabu igono, okay? Rabbit.
Na bushfowl.
Bushfowl, okay. Undi ano anine ani gotia side ebe. Be kuche gote.
Ama ko mam be na gotia ndi na agbanta.
Ndi na agbanta. Okay, so local meat. Okay.
You can see me.
No, 3 days. You've taken 3.
Now I'm trying to put the sauce. The sauce.
There's no sauce. There's oil.
Where's that sauce?
Okay, okay, what you with sauce, you know? I can put it down, Jade.
Okay, so today we are looking at what you call Miriaku. I want to present you one of the traditions that we have in the Igbo culture. When a woman conceives a child, there are certain foods that are prepared, that are made to support the birthing of a child. And this is such one of those dishes. What you have here is the root yam, which has been cooked basically in hot water. So it's more like a yam pepper soup. So this is the root yam, which grows in Nigeria and certain other countries in West Africa. This root is similar to, say, the potato. It's a lot larger. You have actually larger ones, and inside it's probably white yellowish. You can cook it in different ways. And what we've done for today is prepare, or what my friends, my sister-in-law's friend has done for her, is prepare the Miriaku, which is a dish served to new mothers that help them cleanse the uterus and pulls back everything back in place. So here's a bit of culture coming from Nigeria.
Please let me know if you've tried any of these dishes, what your experience was in the comment section. I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Liesel81. Ogbonede zọkabunu bụ n'ọnwa, oh yes. Ogbonede zọkabunu bụ n'ọnwa, oh yes.